The sun's shining, and you know what that means. Days like this, you just need to grab your towel, your sunnies, good vibes, and simple bag. It's pool day. Here's the bag, a swimming goggle, a swim short, a sunscreen, and an additional garment. I love how easy it is to just hop and go. In my first electric car, the VF5. Today, I'm craving for a chill time by the water. Or maybe this is just an excuse to hit the road in my VF5. Why? It's addicting. It's pool time with my VF5. Yoo-hoo! Let's take a plunge. Ang init sobra. I just love how my VF5 glides so smoothly, making the journey itself part of the relaxation. The breeze, the open road, it's just the perfect way to kick off a day of unwinding. No traffic headaches, just pure cruising pleasure. In this episode, we will be passing the Havila Link Road, where there will be two major big climbs. The first climb will be the peak. It's about 19.7 to 20% gradient. The second climb is the Santa Barbara climb, which is about 22% gradient. I'm curious how my VF5 fares after the second firmware update. All the bags were gone and it's running smoothly. This portion is a 10% gradient climb, which the VF5 is climbing without any signs of straining. %15 gradient ahead. I just love how quiet this VF5 drives even when climbing. This makes it so relaxing to drive, thereby bringing down my cortisol levels. When your cortisol levels are down, hypertension, aging fast, and many other diseases are prevented. This is the peak, about 20% gradient, and we are just in an eco mode. Going there. That's the second climb, the Santa Barbara. When I was a kid, I used to drive remote controlled cars, and now I'm driving one of them. Now approaching the 22% gradient climb. Here we go. At this point, I had to switch to sports mode for a faster climb. I just hope VinFast will put a physical button for the sports and eco mode so I can conveniently shift anytime. We've arrived. Let's go to my favorite parking spot. It's so easy to park. We're here. Thanks to my VF5, now it's pool time. So here's the pool. Ooh, it's rough. Okay, we're done. We're going home now. It was so refreshing. We are now heading back home and bihis lang ng konti and then we will be going to work. Going down the 22% gradient is no problem with the high regenerative braking. One thing good about EVs are the regenerative braking. I started at around 54%. We reached the club area at around 51%. And now we are going down, and hopefully this will regenerate some energy back to the batteries. Ahead is the best view of the route. It's the overlooking view of the city. The VF5 handles the corner well with minimal body roll. At this point, 1% has been added to the battery. It's a long way down, and it's good for the EV car. I just love the breeze. More kilometers, no emission at all. Now at 52%. So, now we are back to climbing. This is the Cabrera Road. When the windows are up, it's even quieter. We are now in Manila East Road. Let me also mention the storage in this car is just enough for me, for my lifestyle, or even for a family of 4.